Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to turn on read mode in Microsoft Word document. So very simple and easy way. Firstly, you need to open Microsoft Word, and once you open, click on view, and here guys you will see some options like read mode, print layout, web layout. So just you have to select this one, read mode. The best way to read a document, including some tools designed for reading instead of writing. So just select it. If you have any text, so you can see the properly difference between, and to make print layout, click on it. So just you have to click on read mode, and once you need to turn off, so select this print layout. So thanks for watching, share, like and subscribe this channel.